Okay, so today I will going to describe about the lesson of the probability, the 60th one. The probability. What is the probability? First of all, you have to know about that one. What is the probability? It is actually a what chance of everything life. That means accept it may be something like uncertainty and chance of the everybody what life that happening things. So it can be what. For example, if I take in what it is likely to rain, it may be rain or not, but mostly it likely to rain. So it may be something like 80% like that or more than what they are having chance for the rain. So you can take a umbrella. Okay. So will my team win their next match? Next match, will my team win or not? Like that. What is the chance of earthquake? Is they having a chance for the earthquake? Like that one, they are having many things that following we have to measure the chance that calling probability. What is the main chance of the getting top exam grade? Am I likely to live to be what 100 plus years old? Yeah, like that one we can following on the probability. So they are having some keywords that follow with the probability. What are they? They are taking likely, unlikely, certain, chance, even chance, very unlikely, very likely, probability, probability scale. Like that one, there can be used many words that follow in on. Clear? So, what is the probability? Accept that uncertain thing, the chance of the everybody life that following on. Clear? So, it is a simple idea. No need to take the idea. So, actually, probability it measure what is the chance of the an event of following things. So they are taking some words, something like likely, unlikely, and certain. There are can be taken the words likely. If there are probability mostly can be happen, it can be likely. Unlikely, if they are not going to happen, it can be taken as unlikely. Certain, they are used for something there. Describe the chance that something will happen. So sometimes a result can be associated with the number 0 to 1. That result can be associated with the number 0 to 1. So this is probability of a result. So this can be taken as a probability of result. It can be likely, unlikely, certain, chance, and it can be a probability of result. Like that, it can be taken on. So if if you're taking something, it's a certain to happen, that probability is taken as one. It's something impossible to happen. It's completely it will be happen. It can be probability of one. If they are not going to happen, definitely it's not going to happen. Impossible. That calling probability of zero. So always that probability scale is the lesser that least value is zero, the highest value is one. That probability always should be in between zero and one. Clear? That probability always should be in between zero and one. You have to know that thing. Clear? So according to that one, you can draw the probability scale. So for example, look at the example here that United and City are two football teams. The probability of City will win their next match is 25%. The probability of United will their next match is 2 over 3. What is the probability of United City? City is 25%. Probability of United 2 over 3. Which team is more likely to win their match? Okay. And show that probability of the United probability scale. If you consider, yes, if you consider 25%. It's actually what if you consider as a fraction 25%. 25% is 25 over 100. Clear? 25% is actually 25 over 100. You can take it as a 1 over 4. Clear? You can take it as a 1 over 4. 25% is actually 25 over 100. You can consider it as a 1 over 4. And other thing, if you consider 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is what? If you consider 2 over 3, 2 over 3, it's another fraction. Now you can think, what is the higher value? 2 over 3 or 1 over 4? You can consider 1 over 4 here, here 2 over 3. If you consider that both of them into the same denominator, you can multiply. I can get it as a 12. If you multiply by 3, this is also 3. If you multiply by 4, this is also 4. Yes. It may be 3 over 12 or 8 over 12. So what is the most value? 3 over 2. It's actually 8 over 12. If you consider 12 part, it's consider 8. If you consider 12 parts, it's consider only 3. So that city have less value for the winning match and United has more value for the winning match. Clear? Like that one you can measuring it. So there are taking these keywords with following on. Can you please write down this one firstly? Yes. Write the example and get the idea. Okay. Please write it. Yes, write it. Yes. You can try now. There's an exercise with you. Please try this exercise and give some time. Okay. You can start 16.1 right now. Please try it. Yes. Try this exercise. Okay, think about the words. Now choose the words from the phrase in the box that describe each situations. So, so they are having words likely. If they are having more chance, we can take the word of likely. Unlikely, if they are having less chance, we can take it as a unlikely. Impossible, they are never having any chance. Very likely, there are more and more having chance. Very unlikely, there are more and more not having chance. Even little chance, even chance certain means it may be having good chance. Now look at here. If you drop off the pair coin, what is the land showing? Head. It is a they are having two sides. It's 50-50 chance. So it can be what is? It may be same chance for both sides, no? If they are having same chance for both sides, we can take it as what? What is? We can take same outcomes. They are having important word. Later on, we can take. You can take the even chance. Otherwise, likely chance. Even chance, same chance. The day after Monday will be Tuesday. It should be day after Monday should be Tuesday, no? It should be a certain chance. Okay. And they have same birthday of the president and the United States. Your birthday and what? It not impossible, maybe have, but it will have little chance. Very little chance. So you can take it as a very unlikely. Very unlikely. You will be well in your next exam. Yeah, you can take the very, but if you competence with the maths, you can take that very likely. Yes. If you are a little bit competence, you can take likely. Clear? Like that one, you can what? Take the names for them. Clear? You can follow like that. And what is the second one? Match the statement of the most appropriate letter from the probability scale. Here, 0 is the very less probability, 1 is a greater probability. Now look at it. A newborn baby will be a girl. Yeah, it may be boy or girl, 50-50. So it's a middle value. Middle value, it can be taken as a D. A plane will be fly from the New York to Hong Kong in 2 hours next week. A plane will be fly from New York to Hong Kong. New York, it may be it's a so far. It's a so far. So New York to Hong Kong, it maybe take more time, but they are not having chance. It maybe have a super engine. They have a little chance. You can write it as a B. Otherwise, they are not having chance. Dice will be shown two when it is rolled. Dice they are having six side, so there are no chance for this one. Actually, we can take it this as A. Okay, so dice will be rolled. The two value there are six side. One value can be little possible chance, so it may be taken a B. There will be earthquake in Asia in coming year. Yes, it may be have earthquake in the Asia. Mostly they are having earthquakes, no? So maybe have chance. In the Asia there can be have earthquake. Something like Japan, China, they are Indonesia. They are mostly having earthquakes. So you can take it as E. They are having more chance. Clear? If they are having more chance, you can take the more value. If they are having less chance, you can take the less value. Clear? It should be going like that. Okay, if they are having more chance, you can take the more value. If they are having less chance, you can take the less value. That's the way you have to following up. More chance, more value, less chance, less value. That's the way, okay? Okay. Yes. Next one, draw a probability scale. Mark these probabilities in the correct place on the diagram. Draw a probability scales and mark the probabilities on the correct place on the diagram. You can draw a diagram. Here you have to draw a diagram. Using that one, you can mark the correct place. If I draw a diagram like this, you can take both sides 0 and other side it may be 1. In between there, you can take the value 0 and 1. Now in between, you can measure the value. You can put the value in between there. Yes. Write down there in between. Yes. Try it. In here, now you can draw. You can see now what is the probabilities. It's going on. According to that one, you can draw here. Yes. What can you here? 25%. You can draw write it in the percentage. Yes, 0 to 100 like that. 25, it's like 104. Here it's 25%. Otherwise, you can write it as what? 0.25. 50% in the middle should be 50% in the middle. Here 105. 105 if you are writing with the 100 percentage, 1 over I with the multiply with the 100, it's 20%. So 105 little bit less with the 25. It's 105 here. 70% here, 50 in between 75 here, 70%. 0.9, 0.9 if you are multiply with the 100, it's 90%. Here 0.9, 90%. 5%, 5, it's a less percentage like this. Clear? You can draw, yeah, you can draw like this according to probability scale. On the probability scale, you can draw like this. Yes. Here the way. You can think with the percentage, anything. You can following on. Yes. Yes. And next thing, equally likely outcome. What is that? Equally likely outcome. So, some simple activities or events. There are some simple activities or event such as spinning a coin, throwing a dice, picking a card from the pack. There's a various result or outcomes there. So that all are equally likely. That all of them are equally likely. So with the coin or two outcome are head or tails. With the dice, it can be 1 to 6. All of them are equally likely outcome. If they are taken head and tail, it have same probability. Equally likely outcome. If they are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The all six sides can be take the same probabilities that can as a equally likely outcomes. So like that values we can take it as what? Equally likely outcome. That means they are having equal chance for each and every outputs. That outcomes you can see. They are having equal chance for getting all the values that should be seen on there. Clear? So when you consider, look at it, they are having 8 cards. They are having 8 cards. 2, 5, 5, 8, 10, 10, 10, 3. 8 cards. And it's the card are placed face down. You cannot see the numbers. Okay? The cards are placed face down on the table. One card is chosen and randomly taken one card. Randomly taken one class. What is the probability of the number chosen is? What is the probability of number chosen is 5. Altogether they are having 8 card. Altogether they are having 8 card. The number 5. How many number 5? Now altogether 8 card out of 8. How many number 5s there? There are 2. 2 out of 8. 2 out of 8. Otherwise you can simplify it. 2 out of 8. 2 out of 8. You can divide both can be 2. So it 1 over 4. You can take it as a 2 out of 8. Otherwise 1 over 4. There are 8 cards, so there are 8 equally likely outcome. So two sides card, they are having equal chance for the two. So 2 out of 8. Otherwise, you can take it as a 1 over 4. Clear? Yes. And next thing, Greater than 9. What are the values? Greater than 9. It may be 10, 10, 10, 13. There are four values. Greater than 9, there are four values. How many values? There are four values out of 8. There are four values out of 8. Otherwise, you can take it as what 1 over 2. 4 out of 8. Otherwise, 1 over 2. Greater than 9, there are four values out of 8. Otherwise, it can be taken 1 over 2. Clear? Yes. And even numbers. What are the even number? Here 2 can be taken. 8, 10, 10, 10, 13 not. There are five values. There are five values out of 8. Like that all you can write the probability. Always the denominator should be the all the value that can be possible. The numerator, that selected value you are going to take. So here number 5, there are two fives out of 8. It's 1 over 4. And greater than 9, there are four values out of 8. It's 1 over 2. Even number, there are five values out of 8. You can get like that one you can follow me now. Okay, that's the way you have to go in now. Yes. Please write down this one. Yes. First of all, write the example. You have to see always that denominator should be all considering value. Denominator should be all considered value out of the considerable value. Clear? You can take like that. Please write down it. First of all, you have to write and we will go on. Please write it. Okay, you can take the values like that. Altogether, there are 8 values. Out of 8, how many values for the? They are asking number 5. There are 2. So 2 out of 8. It can be simplified more. 1 out of 4. Secondly, greater than 9. There are 4 values greater than 9. Altogether, it's 8. 4 out of 8. It can be simplified 1 over 2. And even number, there are 5 even number out of 8. Clear? 5 even number out of 8. Like that one it's going on. Okay, shall you try this exercise? 16.2 right now, please. Can you try 16.2? I give you some time. Take your time and try. There are 20 picture card in the 6 row flowers. Okay, please try it. Yes. Okay, we'll see the best question. Here, there are 20 picture cards. How many altogether? Altogether, here are 20 picture cards in the set. Six show flowers. Six out of 26 flowers. Four show tree. There are four trees. Three show birds. There are three birds. Five show antelopes. There are five antelopes. And two show lions. There are two lions. 6, 4, 10, 13, 18, and 20. Altogether 20. Clear? So now, Brian, fix a card randomly. What is the probability of a bird? A bird. Altogether, it's 20. How many birds there? There are three. 3 out of 20. It's 3 out of 20. And next one, a lion. Altogether 20. How many lions there? There are two lions. 2 out of 20. Otherwise, 1 over 10. 2 out of 20. Otherwise, 1 over 10. Okay? Yes. A plant. Plant means trees. How many trees? There are 4 out of 20. 4 out of 20 you can simplify. Divide by 4. It's 1 over 5. Animal with 4 legs. Who are the animals? 4 legs. There are 2 lions and 5 antelopes. Antelopes also 4 legs, no? 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 it's 7 out of 20. We cannot simplify it, no? 7 out of 20. A bird. There are 3 birds like that. 3 birds and 2 lions out of 20, it's 1 over 10. A plant, 4 plant out of 20, it's 1 over 5. An animal with 4 legs, that means 5 antelope, 5 and 2 lions altogether 7 out of 20. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, next one. There are Alicia throws the dice. What is the probability of the chase squad? The dice they are having one, two, three, four, five, and six. Okay, now shows the dice. Now probability of getting four. Only one four. They are no out of all together. They are having six value. So it's 1/6. 1/6. And next thing more than four. More than four. What is value? 5/6. It's 5/6. I write here 5/6. 5/6. There are two values out of six. Two values out of six. You can simplify it 1/3. Two out of six. Otherwise 1/3. Less than four. Less than four. It may be 1, 2, 3. Less than four. It's 1, 2, 3. There are three value out of six. Three values out of three. When you are divided by three, it's 1/2. 1/2. Next one, odd numbers. Odd number 1, 3, 5. There are three odd number out of six. Otherwise, you can divide by two. It's three. It's 1/2. Three out of six. Otherwise, 1/2. Three out of six. Otherwise, 1/2. Like that. Clear? You can go like that. Okay. Next one. Yes. Continue. There are six girls and 10 boys in the class. Six girls and 10 boys. Altogether 16. Six girls and 10 boys in the class. Three of girls and four of boys wear sunglasses. Three girls, the girls, and four of boys wear sunglasses. The teacher chosen one person randomly. What is the probability that teachers chose a girl wearing glasses, a boy who does not wear glasses, a child wearing glasses? Think. You have to think. This may be a little bit complicated compared to the previous one. Yeah. Yes. Now think six girls, 10 boys, three of the girls, three girls, and four boys. Okay. Now, altogether 16. How many girls? Six girls and 10 boys. A girl, a girl. There are six girls out of 16. You can divide by 2. 6 out of 16. You can divide by 2. It's 3 out of 8. 3 out of 8. A girl wearing a glasses. A girl wearing a glasses. There are three of the girls and four of the boys. Three of the girls. Three girls. They are in the class. Out of all together, there are 16. So 3 out of 16. 3 out of 16. And 4 boys wear glasses. Altogether, there are 10 boys. 4 boys wearing glasses. So 6 are not wearing glasses. So not wearing glasses, it's 6 out of 16. You can divide by 2, it's 3 out of 8. 3 out of 8. A child wearing glasses. How many childs? 4 boys and 3 girls, altogether 7 out of 16. A child wearing glasses, there are 7 out of 16. Like that, and you can write it. Now, how can teacher make sure that the choice is random and each child has an equal chance to being a chosen? How can teacher make sure that choice is random and each child has an equal chance of the being chosen? Because it can be have an equal chance because it cannot be taken what? No need to consider they are not having any what specializes to take in that one, so they are having equal chance of each of them. Okay, so it's a equal chance, equally chances for having all of them. Clear? So you can write it and try fourth question. Yes, please try. They are having cards and try it. Here the next one. There are word of mathematics. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 letters is going on. Okay. The word of mathematics written on the separate card. Now, Jake picks a card randomly. What is the probability of letter? Is M. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Altogether, there are 11 letters. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of 11, how many M? 1, 2. There are 2 M. So, probability of M, 2 out of 11. It's 2 out of 11. Not T. How many T's there? There are 1, 2. 2 T's. So, not T. Other 9 letters are not T. There are T has 2, so others are not T. A vowel. How many vowels? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vowels. So, it's 4 out of 11. 4 out of 11. So 4 of them are vowels. Other 7 are not vowel. Not vowel. Clear? Eggs. Can you see any eggs? Can you see any eggs? Any eggs? Any eggs? No. There are no eggs. So probability is 0. If there are no x, 0. Probability is 0. Okay. There are no x. So it's probability 0. The word chance. Can you create a chance? C, yes, have, H, have, A, have, N, N, N. There are no N. There are no N. So in the word chance, there are no chance. The probability is 0. It cannot be create a value there. We can take it as a probability as 0. If they are not having any considerable value, we can take it as a probability as 0. Clear? It's the probability of 0. These two are a special case. If they are not having any chance, that can be considered as a probability of 0. The probability of 0. That following on. Let's try. Yes. Right. Yes. And next one. What is the 100 arguments? They are having little questions with you. You have to follow it on. Yes. What's wrong with the Andres argument? Here, a football team can win, lose, or draw a match. It can be win, lose, or draw a match. So these are the only three possible outcomes, and the within a team is those outcomes. The probability that team can be win is 1 over 3. The probability that the team will win 1 over 3. What can be said? What is a what? Is there anything the football team can win, lose, or draw a match? It can be win, loss, or draw. So they are not having same probability for win and loss. Win 1 over 3. Loss, it can be, yes. The probability of team win is 1 over 3 no. If 1 over 3 is for the others values are also 1 over 3. So they are not having same equal chance. It should be one team is better than for the other team. So they are having much more chance for the other one. Yes. Can you think about this one? Sixth question. Please try. Just try. Okay, yes. Look at this sixth question here. They are asking snooker table, they are having 15 red balls. Altogether, there are 15 red balls, 15, and 7 other color balls. Altogether, there are 7 other color balls that contain yellow, green, brown, blue, pink, and black, and white. That Jelly goes to take a ball randomly. Now, what is the probability that Jenny takes is a red? Altogether, how many balls? 15 plus 7? 23. 23. 23. How many red balls there? 15. 15 out of 23. 15 out of 23. And not red. There are not red. There are having 7. 7 out of 23 are not red color. 7 out of 23 are not red color. How many yellow color balls? There are only one yellow color ball. So altogether there are 23 balls. So one yellow color. Red, white or blue. Red 15, white 1, blue 1. Altogether it's 17 out of 23. 17 out of 23. How many orange color blue? There are 1 out of 23. How many orange color? There are only 1 out of 23. Like that only you can kill. Red, there are 15 out of 23. Not red, there are 7 out of 23. Yellow, there are 1 out of 23. Red, white, blue, altogether 17 out of 23. Orange, there are 1 out of 23. Like that only you can measure it. Yes, you can do that questions. Okay, there are two more questions for you. You can try and share me the answers. Okay, there are seven question and eight question. Both of them you can try by yourself, and then you can share that answers to me. Okay, so first of all, try it, and you can share to answer to me. Okay, try it. Okay, yes, you can try and share these answers for me. Okay, and next thing is mutually exclusive outcome and mutually inclusive outcome. These are very important topics. We will discuss that one on the next day. Okay, so I'll wind out the session for here and we will discuss more and more in the next day. So thank you very much. We'll see you on next day. Okay, see you.